we are getting hands-on on HP's Application Lifecycle Management, or previously known as Quality Center. So we are going to look at the user's perspective as a tester, how you can log into this test management tool and create test plans, test cases, and execute test cases from HP ALM or Quality Center. So from user's perspective, once you have your projects created and users added in your HP ALM projects, you can simply log in with your credentials and select the domain and the project. In this case, I'm gonna enter the user ID, password, select the domain and the project that I already have created as a sample. And then after logging in, we'll start looking at the actual interface. So let's just log in with my credentials, and that's what you see after logging in. And I'm at the dashboard view. Here you will see all your folders for your projects created. Okay, in here you can create a new folder for your project. For example, you can create, let's say your project is a sample project folder. You can create a new project folder over here, either in private or public. You can also manage your releases from HP ALM. From the management tab, you can click release and add any new release that you want to manage. Just a better way of managing your test management, managing your test cases and test plan. You can say, let's say this is release 1.1, and here's your new release created, but that's optional. You don't really have to create release right away. Then we are at something called requirements. So you can create new requirements. Okay, if you click on requirements, you will see all the list of requirements. As you can see, currently there is no requirement created. And on the testing module, you can add your test resources, test plans, test lab, and you can run your test from the test run module, which is actually the test execution module. Then we have the defect module, and this is kind of an overall high level overview of the HP ALM or Quality Center, and this is the version 12.0, most latest. And in the next videos, we'll get more hands-on with HP ALM from a tester's point of view and create our requirements, test cases, test plans in HP ALM.